Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Xfinity cable box, no sound, audio settings, HDMI, SAP and Reboot fix. First, why Xfinity cable box has no sound? Let's understand that. HDMI handshake failures. The hardware communication drops between the cable box and TV, cutting off the audio stream while leaving the video intact. SAP misconfigurations. The box accidentally switches to a secondary language or descriptive audio track that has no audio broadcasted. Format and software glitches. The TV cannot decode the box's auto-detect Dolby signal or corrupted background caches freezes the audio processing loop. These might be the reasons the error has occurred. So to quickly fix missing audio on your Xfinity cable box, perform a standard power cycle by unplugging the box for 60 seconds, ensuring your physical HDMI and coaxial cables are securely connected, and verify the secondary audio programming SAP is also disabled. Fix 1. Reboot and power cycle. Unplug the power cord from the back of the Xfinity TV box for at least 60 seconds. And if you are using a DVR, verify no recordings are in progress. Then reconnect the power cord and wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the device to fully boot up and restore connection. Alternatively, you can also trigger a system refresh via the Xfinity app or by holding down the power button on the front of the box for 10 seconds. Fix 2. Check physical connections HDMI. First, reseat cables. Unplug the HDMI cable from both your TV and the cable box, then plug them back in firmly. Next, input check. Make sure your TV is on the correct input channel, example HDMI 1. Now, port troubleshooting. If you use a soundbar or AV receiver, ensure the HDMI cable is plugged into the HDMI ARC/E ARC port on the TV, or test connecting the box directly to the TV. Fix 3. Audio settings and SAP reset. SAP/audio track. First, press the Xfinity box on your remote, then go to Settings, which is the gear icon. In it, find Device Settings, and then go to Audio. Now select Audio Language, SAP Reset, and press OK to return to the default language. This resolves issues if a secondary track is blank or stuck on Spanish. HDMI audio output. Users on the Xfinity community forum suggest a consensus fix. Simply navigate to Settings, then go to Device Settings and find Audio. Then change the HDMI audio output setting from auto detect to stereo. Mute/volume levels. Ensure neither the TV remote nor the Xfinity voice remote has accidentally muted the system. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.